Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friends, in today's video, we are going to check the internship opportunity which is provided by the multinational organization, and in this internship opportunity, you will learn how to use the AI and how you can integrate with other things. So please watch the video complete here. And friend, anyone can apply for this internship, whether you are the college going students, working professionals, or the students who want interest towards the AI field. So you can see here we are at the official page of Datacom. You can see Forage. So Datacom is the multinational technology company, and they are providing the internship on how you can partnering with AI in the workplace. So how you will use artificial intelligence in your offices. So you will learn here. And friend, this internship is launched very recently. So you can see here that more than 150 learners has been already completed it, and it is absolutely free. And friend, along with this knowledge, you will also get the certificate here. You can see here, this is the sample certificate which you will get here. On the top you can see Datacom logo, and below you can see the internship topic name is given. So this is the sample certificate. Here the topic will be changed according to your registered internship. And at the bottom you will get the verification thing, so anyone can verify it. So let's talk about this internship first, then we are going to check other things. So you can see here, Datacom is one of the Australia and New Zealand's largest supplier of information technology professional services. And you can see they operate at the forefront of technology to help Australia and New Zealand's largest enterprise organization explore the possibilities and solve their greatest challenge. And talking about this internship, you can see during the program you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a graduate, learning how to partner with AI during everyday tasks and helping you to drive innovation, improve outcomes, and future proof of your career. AI collaboration, prompt writing, visual communication, and problem solving with real code. So, all these things you will learn here. And you can see here the various skills you will learn, like how to do prompt engineering, how collaborate with the AI. Then you can see the requirement analysis, business communication. Then some other things are given, visual storytelling, presentation design. So these are the things you will learn here. And you can see here that this internship is self-paced and 3 to 4 hours. So basically, internship consists of recorded videos. You have to watch it, and the what types of tasks they have mentioned in the video, you have to do accordingly and complete the task. And you can see there will be no grades, means there will be no passing marks or anything, and there will be no assessment also. And so talking about the what types of tasks you have to do, you can see at the bottom here task. You can see first scenario is given, that you have to partner with AI tools to enhance productivity, improve the outcomes, and support your team in practical ways. So this is the scenario, and your goal will be here to complete a series of tasks that demonstrate how AI can support workplace and how they solve the problems. So in the task one, you can see here to write an effective prompts. The importance of writing effective prompts in AI is you know how much this is important. So what types of context you will to the AI, and accordingly they will provide the answers. So here you will be working with a team that has been asked to develop a new feature or client's website, and you will need to explore options, scan and communicate with the wider data team. Then in the task 2, you can see you have to partner with AI regarding research and design and create. So you can see here how AI can support research, writing and design, how clear communication and visual storytellings you can provide to the stakeholder for the engagement, and how you can refine the data. So these are the things here you can see. And so here you have to create a three slide PowerPoint presentation for upcoming council forum. You will need to use AI to assist with each part of the task. And talking about the task 3, here you can see you have to click prompt fix your first steps into AI powered debugging. So here you have to you can see here what you have to do. Uh, there will be an unexpected error has occurred on the client website. Your manager has asked you to investigate. It is a top priority, and you are not a developer, so you will need to partner with AI to get the bottom of the issue. So basically, here the client website is getting some error, and you have to find out it using the AI. So this is the scenario here, and you have to give the prompt to the various AI tools like you hear about the Chat GPT, Gemini, and Copilot. So these are the various famous AI tools. So you have to use it and provide the answers. And once you provide the answer, you have to upload it on the task as mentioned in the video. And you can see here once you complete the task provided by the pre-recorded videos and example answers from your team at Datacom, then you will get the certificate here, which you can add in your resume and LinkedIn also. And friend, before going to check the how you will do the registration, if you are not subscribed in Inforosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs, and internship notification and technologies video. So please subscribe in Inforosan. So how you will do the registration? So first you have to open the link which I have provided in the video description box. Then you will come to this page here. Then you will simply click on the start free program, and this type of window will appear. So here you have to enter your email address if you are the new user. Then you have to click on, and if you have already created account on the Forage, you can directly log sign in from here. So if you are new, then you have to enter your email address and click on this create a free account. And then this type of form will appear here. So you have to put your first name, last name, you have to create one password, you have to provide your date of birth and some other details here. And you have to click on this agree and join. And this internship will add in your profile from where you can access it and complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any question, please comment on the video. We will definitely provide the answers for your questions. Please subscribe in follow